What's up, everybody? Coach Matt here from ItMatters.co. This video is on movement action verbs. Let's get started. What's up, everyone? Coach Matt here. This video consists of the top action verbs to teach kids or anyone who wants to learn more about movement verbs. Advancing, to move forward or ahead. Charging, to rush at with force. Climbing, to move forward using both hands and feet upward. Crawling, to move slowly with arms, hands, knees, belly, and legs along the floor. Creeping, to move slowly close to the ground. Darting, to move suddenly and swiftly in short, quick movements. Dashing, to move with sudden speed. Exploring, to travel throughout an unfamiliar space for the purpose of discovery. Flying, to move through air as if you had wings. Galloping, a sidestep to move forward by keeping one foot in front of the other. Hiding, to get out of sight. Hopping, to step with one foot and land on with one foot. Jumping, to take off with both feet and land on 2 feet. Leaping, to stretch one leg forward and landing on that foot. Marching, to walk with regular, long, even steps with knees bent. Pouncing, to seize down upon. Rolling, to turn over and over. Running, to move faster than walking. Rushing, to move or act quickly. Scattering, to separate and go in many directions. Skating, to glide along ice. Sliding, to move smoothly over a surface. Sneaking, to move in a sly or secret way. Strolling, to walk in a slow, relaxed way. Strutting, to walk in a swaggering or proud manner. Tiptoeing, to walk softly on the tips of your toes. Waddling, to sway from side to side. Walking, to move on your feet at a steady pace. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. I hope you give all these movement verbs a try. Please let me know how it went in the comment section below. Also, please like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, Coach Matt.